My name is Sarah and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Today we will be talking about sound. Did you know not only can you hear sound, you can also feel and sometimes see sound. Let me show you what I mean. So I've poured rice on this drum. Using only sound, I'm going to make these pieces of rice move by touching this drum. Even though I'm not touching the drum with the rice on it, the sound waves from the other drum are causing vibrations which make the pieces of rice move. You can also use the vibrations from your voice to create sound waves to make the rice move without touching it. Make sure when you're yelling or singing at your rice that your voice is super high pitched. It's also helpful to have someone join you so you'll be extra loud. Now I want you to take your hand and put it over your throat. Once your hand is on your throat, I want you to go, When you do that, what do you feel? Can you feel the vibrations in your throat? Did you know that's caused by your vocal cords rubbing up against one another to create friction, which is the vibration that is your sound waves? Now we are going to create an instrument where we can use our sound waves. For this activity, you will need some toilet paper rolls, markers or crayons, rubber bands, and tissue paper. You want to begin by having an adult help you cut 3 small holes in your toilet paper roll. Next, you're going to start decorating your toilet paper roll. This is completely optional, but it's definitely a fun step if you choose to do so. After decorating, you're going to take your tissue paper, put it on the top of your toilet paper roll, and secure it with a rubber band. Finally, it's time to play your instrument. Can you feel the vibrations from your voice going through the toilet paper roll and hitting the tissue paper at the bottom? Make sure that you're sort of humming inside of your toilet paper roll. That way, your vibrations will be strong enough to play a sound. Do you notice a difference when you cover up the holes at the top of your toilet paper roll? We're so excited to hear about the instrument that you've created. Please upload a picture or a video of yourself playing your instrument on our Facebook or our Instagram. We'll see you next time.